Hello, my name is Ethan Durand. I am part of Group 27 with Tyler Hull and Maya Folsom. Our project is two data structures, a minimum heap and a splay tree, which work to competitively sort through a large data set of Steam games. So for the first data structure, we're going to choose to use the splay tree. It's going to build and load it up. And we're going to hit input search in order to actually begin start looking through it. So now it's going to give us a list of queries in order to narrow down and refine our specific search. We're going to try and make this fairly narrow. One, so we just want games that are free only. Input for the system, we'll do a Mac, which basically Steam is only on computer. You need Windows, Mac, or Linux. We will do only games with achievements, as opposed to just all games that have or don't have achievements. We are not going to support sort by developer yet. If you would like to, you can just type in the name of the developer, caps sensitive. Genres for the game, we are going to do action, indie, which will probably not narrow, indie will not narrow down the results that much. But you could also just leave it blank to search as much as you want. Tags, we will do the suggested tags, competitive and multiplayer. And it is going to give us a couple games. Actually, yeah, a good couple. Here we have the Steam app ID. Minion Masters is the name. I'll find a different one. Warfork sounds really funny. Is released when it was released. These are all just the individual profiles with a large amount of additional information. For example, how many estimated players are still playing it, what the price, we said we wanted it to be free, the description, the compatibilities, we wanted it to be compatible with Mac at least, how many positive and negative reviews it has, the total achievements, the amount of recommendations. That game does not have any recommendations. Let's see if I can find one that does. This one has recommendations. The supported amount of languages, the developers, and the genres. We put action and adventure, I believe, and the tags. We put competitive and multiplayer. And yes, so now we'll do it again, but with the minimum heap instead. So it's going to build the minimum heap, load it in, go to proceed as normal. I am looking for a very specific game, but I do not know what the price is, because it's been a long time and it's probably lowered. I am on a Windows, so I would like the game to be functional on Windows. I speak English as my first language, sometimes. And I do not think it has any achievements, but I can't remember if it does or not. But we will put 2 so that it filters, that it gives us both. It does have a developer that I know very well, very famous, Ubisoft. I believe it is an action game, for sure. Tags, it is multiplayer. And it will find us the best Assassin's Creed game. The best Assassin's Creed game. Assassin's Creed Unity, as well as some other games that don't matter, but because they're less cool. Steam app ID, the actual name, when it was released, how many players are still playing, which is really good actually. The recommendations, there aren't any achievements. How many positive and negative reviews there are, the description. We want it to be compatible with Windows, which it is. The genre, it is action, developed by Ubisoft, English language, and multiplayer, the only multiplayer Assassin's Creed game, I believe, which is why it's one of the best. And yes, that concludes it for our project. Thank you very much.